In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto-download in Telegram. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your Telegram account. Click on the top left corner of your screen and go ahead and click on Settings, and this will take you to the Settings page. Now go ahead and click on Data and Storage, and this will take you to the Data and Storage settings. Now go ahead and disable all the automatic media download option and make sure to disable the Save to Gallery options under this. Once you disable the automatic media download along with the Save to Gallery, you will be able to turn off auto download for photos and videos on your Telegram account. Now, if you want to disable only one of this type of messages and groups, you can just go ahead and disable that specific group under the Save to Gallery and let the rest be enabled. And that's how you can simply turn off auto download in Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.